Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to be talking about going live. And I know for me to get people to get on video is literally like pulling people's arms, like pulling teeth. Like it's crazy. And trust me, I get it. Okay. I really do get it. I understand. I was not born like out of the womb, like ready to go on Facebook Live. Like it didn't happen overnight. I don't think that any affiliate marketer who's like worth their weight in anything, they'll tell you like, yeah, day one, like, I was told to do video, like do YouTube, do Instagram, whatever, anything doing with video. And I was totally comfortable. I was just like, right out of, sure, fine. Most people would say, no, that was a little bit of a learning curve or a mental hurdle. They felt like, ooh, I don't know, I'm gonna be judged. You start thinking, well, maybe people will make fun of me, or people, if I start airing out my dirty laundry on video and stuff, will people put me down? Like your mind wants to jump to all these things because it's uncomfortable, because it's unknown. Remember, we talked about that. Your mind is always going to choose comfort. Okay. So what I'm here to tell you, and hopefully it puts your mind at ease. Hopefully once you really sit down and realize this, it will, it will propel you to do video. Number one, nothing converts like video. I don't care how many other things you take into, into practice from this course. I don't care how many other things I teach you in this course and you use them every single day. You hammer away and you use everything. You use messenger scripts, you use pain posts and all this, like you use all that and and you do it to a T. You do it better than anything I can do. You're never going to get as much success as you would if you do video. So it's something that you have to sit down and ask yourself, do I want success or do I want to stay comfortable? I mean, it just boils down to that. In order to be successful, you're going to have to do what 99% of people are not willing to do. It just stands to logic, right? It's reason. If it was easy to be successful, everybody'd be doing it, and it wouldn't be like nobody would have to do anything they'd feel uncomfortable doing, right? If you see 99% of people are not doing video, it's probably a good idea to do video, right? Because 99% of people are struggling and have no idea what the hell they're doing. Nothing converts like video. If your whole goal is to get people to know, like, and trust you, what gets people to know, like, and trust you better than seeing you on video, right? They can see you. You're right there. You're talking. You're moving. You're like there. Okay? So I want you to really let this sink in. The second thing, and probably the most important thing about video, getting on video and beating those mental hurdles, that fear. Okay, I want you to realize this. Really realize it. Take it in, soak it in, understand. Okay? Everyone is screwed up. Everyone. There is no perfect person on the planet. None. If you find a perfect person, you found a liar. They're full of shit. There are no perfect people. So if somewhere in your mind you're thinking, oh, but people are going to make fun of me because the way I talk, or I have a messed up past and I don't want to like bring that up, or all these other things that your mind is going to jump to, right? Understand that your life is going to get much easier from here on out if you can tell yourself, everybody's screwed up. Like everybody is screwed up. Everybody's messed up. I don't care if you're a top CEO of the biggest company or you're a bum on the street. Everybody's got baggage. Everybody's got problems. So if you go on live, you do a video and you start telling people about yourself and a little bit about your story to get people to know, like, and trust you, and people judge you and put you down, get them out of your group, get them out of your circle, get them out of your mental space immediately. Those people don't hate you. They don't judge you. They don't put you down. They hate themselves. Understand that. They hate themselves. They're so miserable, all they want to do is put somebody else down. They see somebody doing something brave, something courageous, something that they couldn't do themselves. What they want to do is pull you down, push you down as much as possible. They hate themselves. They're miserable pricks. Get them out of there. You want to attract the kind of people that appreciate what you do. You want to attract the kind of people who look up to you and say, wow, that's fantastic. Good, positive mental energy. Don't worry about those negative people. Who cares? They have problems just as much as you do, but they want to mask, they want to hide behind those problems by putting you down and making fun of you. Screw them. You want to attract the people who are open and honest and appreciate what you do. I've been on video talking openly and bluntly about my drug use, about my alcohol addiction, about how I came from a domestic abuse house growing up, and I reflected it in my relationships. I did that. I went to prison. I went to the mental hospital. I've done a shit ton of negative things in my life, but it's not about what you've done. It's not about where you've been. It's about what you do with it now. What do you do now? So if you own your story, if you put it out there and say, this is me, you're going to find that people really, really appreciate that, and people admire that. And you're going to get the right people behind you that want to buy from you, want to do business with you, want to follow you, because they admire what you're doing. You're their lightning rod. You're their leader. You're somebody they look up to. That's what you want to do. So get those negative thoughts out of your head, okay? So with that being said, some of the topics that you can go live with, it's infinite, okay? But I just wanted to give you some ideas. Because I know a lot of people are like, well, what do I do when I go live? You can do lifestyle. Okay, this is a common one. This one probably is best for like your personal profile, so that people who are just on your friends list can see your video, your live. And what lifestyle is just your lifestyle. It's just, inside your life, just who you are. Maybe you're hanging out with your kids, or you're playing with your dog, or, you're showing off your vacation or something, or, you're on your way to work if you have a job. And like, I used to do that. I used to do, on my walks to work, I would do a live and just talk about my thoughts. Just talk about what's going on in my day, some of the things I thought about. Regular stuff like that, because it gets people to know you're a real person. You're not a robot. You're not like some, like perfect. Like they just want a regular, real person they can relate to. So lifestyle is a great choice. Okay. Anytime that you want to just, you don't really have many ideas, you don't know what you're going to talk about, just do a lifestyle one. And this one works really well on your profile. So there's lifestyle, there's results. Results, if you're in weight loss, in the weight loss niche, you might want to talk about your results, that you tried this program, this is how much weight you lost, and all the, like, how it works and everything, okay? Simple, right? If you're in the make money online, you might want to talk about how you like made no money in the beginning, but now you're doing pretty well. Just results, right? Big deal. Okay, people like that kind of stuff. They want to know your progress. They want to know, okay, you're doing this program or you bought this product. How did it help you? What actually happened? They want to see a review, basically, right? They want to talk about results. Just flipping through the page here. Lifestyle, results. What I like to do too is I like to do pain. We already talked about pain, and that's another one. If you want to like really drive it home, this one works really much better inside of your group, because the people inside of your group probably have a deeper rapport with you, have a better relationship with you. They get to see you all the time, talk to you all the time. They're in your group, right? So you can do a live where you're just talking about pain. And by pain, I mean, go back to the last video. What is the problem? Agitate the problem and validate other stuff out there, and then the need and the payoff. Okay? So just follow that structure anytime that you're like, how do I get people to message me today? I want to see if I can get some sales. Let's mix it up. Okay? Let's see here. So you can talk about that. You can talk about value. Everybody talks about value all the time. The thing about value is I don't even like using that word, because value is in the mind of the viewer, not in your, like, you can't decide you're going to get on live and provide value. There's like it's not up to you. It's up to them. Anything can be value. I've been on lives where I just like ramble and talk about the government for like, for like 40 minutes straight. And then people were like, wow, that was valuable. I'm like, really? Because I just got on and I just felt like complaining about stuff, but it's like, it's whatever you feel your perfect customer finds valuable, what they want to hear throughout their day, what they want to talk about, what are they into, what are their hobbies, what are, why is it that they're into your product or your service? Like talk about how it can benefit them, and just straight up just value, just regular stuff. But just throwing some ideas out there, and I just wanted to do this quick video to tell you really should do video. I stray away from saying you need to, but anything like it's as close to needing to as possible. That's how detrimental video is to your business. Like, ask yourself, did you buy this course without seeing some kind of video? Maybe you bought it from an affiliate, maybe you bought it from me. Did you see me on video? Did you see them on video? Video converts. It's so much more powerful than just words. It's so much more powerful, right? There's nothing that compares. It's not even close. So, yes, these are some of the ideas. You can probably like make a whole bunch of different ideas from this, but go live. Okay? Like, build a relationship with your audience, with your tribe. Go live. They want to see you. They want to know what you're all about. Okay? So with that being said, that's it for this training. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.